Now the student, refraction at spherical surfaces. Number one, first point in this video is a convex spherical surfaces. When object lies in denser medium, an image formed in rarer medium. You see the diagram. I have taken this convex spherical surface. Object is in the denser medium O, point object, and when a ray of light is strike here, then what happens? It is going from denser medium to rarer medium, so it goes away from normal. So this is the way, and second ray directly pass, so it will meet here. That is your position of the image formation. And if I am going to drop a perpendicular here at this point of incidence, then this dot line indicates the normal. This is your I, angle I, and this is your angle R, angle of refraction. Alpha, beta and gamma are the small angles represented by object with the principal axis, normal with the principal axis, and beta is the angle made by the image with the principal axis. So alpha, beta, gamma, that we have discussed earlier also. Mu2 is the refractive index of the denser medium, mu1 is the refractive index of the rarer medium. Now, how to solve? The same steps are there. Step number one. First, we have dropped a perpendicular AN on the principal axis. This is principal axis XY. Here we have to find angle I and angle R. Then substitute. That is the only technique. So how to find the angle I and angle R? Just see the diagram by using the exterior angle theorem property. Using exterior angle theorem, just see in the triangle I we have to find out. So if we are taking the triangle AOC, then here the I is there. Gamma is equal to I plus alpha. So in triangle AOC, what we are going to write? Gamma is equal to alpha plus I, or angle I is equal to gamma minus alpha. That is number one. Now, after finding the value of I, then the R. How to find the value of R? R is here. If we are talking about this triangle ACI, then R is the exterior angle. So in triangle ACI, we can write angle R is equal to alpha gamma plus beta. We are not writing the angle symbol. R is equal to gamma plus beta. Number two. Then comes applying the Snell's law. Snell's law. Sin I by sin R. For small angle, it becomes I and R. That is equal to mu1 by mu2 here. Just to see, second medium is your mu1. So mu1 by mu2. Or we can write I mu2 is equal to R mu1. Right. Now what we have to do, now put the value of I and R. The value of I we have find out gamma minus alpha mu2, and value of R is gamma plus beta into mu1, or mu2. Now in place of gamma, just see the diagram again. In place of gamma we can write an by cn, which we have discussed earlier also, gamma p by b. So here in place of gamma, an by cn minus alpha an by on is equal to gamma an by cn plus beta. See, the beta is equal to an by ni into mu1. That was there. So an we can cancel it, leaving behind mu2 1 by cn minus 1 by on is equal to mu1 1 by cn plus 1 by ni. Now for the small aperture, we can write, for small aperture n point is very close to p, so n point is very, very close to p. So this equation will now change to mu2 1 by c p minus 1 by o p is equal to mu1 1 by c p plus 1 by pi. Now put the value and sign convention. What is Cp? Just see the previous diagram. Just see Cp. Cp is the radius of curvature, and the distance, all the distance should be taken from the pole, so it is negative. So mu2 1 by minus r minus OP. OP is your object distance, but all distance measured from the pole, so it is also negative. 1 by minus u is equal to mu1 1 by Cp negative r Cp plus pi image distance along the direction of the incident ray, the positive 1 by. So that is coming out to be mu2 by r plus mu2 by u is equal to minus mu1 by r plus mu1 by v. Now you can write it in this form, minus mu2 by u. How it comes? Minus mu2 by u plus mu1 by v is equal to mu1 minus mu2 by r. How it comes? mu2 by u. So that is your answer. How this come? Just we are arranging. How we have arranged? this particular mu1 by r is there, and here mu2 by u, take it in this way, so it will become negative, and mu1 by v is already there, and then this minus mu2 by r, take it in this way, or you can write in this way also. That's a, if you are not able to understand, we can write it minus mu2 by r plus mu1 by r is equal to mu1 by v minus mu2 by u. This whole the things we can write in this manner. पूरा का पूरा इधर इधर कर दे रहे हैं, तो माइनस mu2 by u प्लस mu1 by v is equal to mu1 minus mu2 by r. The same thing. This and this were the same. This is the standard form. That's why we are taking it. Standard form. Okay.